river sighs under moonlit skies, soft as a breath that the night complies. Stars hum a song only hearts can hear, whispering light guiding the way through shadow tides where dreams softly sway, whispering light healing the grave. A petal falls where the silence grows, echoes of warmth in the coldest snows. Time stands still, yet the soul still flows. Gentle waves in an endless stream, stitching seams of a fractured dream, whispering light through shadow tides where dreams softly sway, whispering light healing the Hold your breath, let the silence fall. Feel the earth, it's been here through it all. Every moment whispers, every shadow calls. Breathe it in, let it stay. Feel the light, chase the gray. This is the moment that won't fade away. The sky wears colors it can't explain. The stars hold secrets in their quiet refrain. We are the echoes of the softest pain. Breathe it in, let it stay. Feel the light, chase the gray. This is the moment that won't fade away. thousand stars whisper low, their secrets drift where rivers flow. A gentle tide pulls dreams away, soft as light on morning dew. Time stands still when I'm with you, whispered horizons, endless and true. Clouds like silk, they fold and sway, carrying echoes of yesterday. The world exhales, the heart obeys, soft as light on morning dew. Time stands still when I'm with you, whispered horizons, and ranks and true. Breath of the earth, calm and wide. Here in the quiet we reside, forever gentle, side by side. The sky is breathing slow tonight, each star a secret, soft and light. I reach for something I can't see, whispering skies, hold me near, tell me the words I need to hear. Gentle as rain, calm as the sea, you're the quiet that sets me free. The world turns slower in this glow, time melts away, it lets me go. I feel the earth beneath my feet, whispering skies, hold me near, tell me the words whisper in the quiet night, faint but steady, a guiding light. The stars lean in, they hold their breath. Eternal glow, you carry me through shadows deep to what will be a place where dreams and hearts collide, a gentle flame that never hides. The world is still, the chaos fades, soft echoes hum, the moment stays, your warmth